to Always Alyssa. Hey guys, welcome back. How's everybody doing today? I'm here with Miss Bench.
Hello everyone.
And today we're going to be
cutting fidgets.
I'm so excited. We're also going to be cutting this one.
Well, maybe not that one. This one's really rare.
Okay, that's fine. We'll see about that.
Which one do you want to cut first?
I was thinking about that. You know, I saw this cute little bear and I was thinking
adorable.
That maybe we should just cut his head off.
Don't
worry, I'm joking. I saw this and I thought it might be fun to cut open because it's a stress ball.
Yeah.
I've never cut open a stress ball before.
Ooh, let's see what's inside.
I'm gonna cut off this little net of the stress ball first. Don't worry guys, I'll leave the cute little bear alone. Let's put that little bear aside. Now time to cut. Look at that! Oh my gosh! That is so slimy. It's like actual slime, you guys. Look at that. And there you have it. My first time ever cutting open a stress ball.
Let's cut open color change balls next.
These ones are gonna be so cool.
Mine's orange
Oh
inside.
my gosh, mine is green. That looks so cool. I love this one.
It's such an interesting texture.
Whoa, oh my gosh.
Let's mix it in with the slime.
Yes. What should we do next? I mean, these look pretty promising.
Let's do it.
Whoa!
It's like Orbeez, glue, and
it's like
glitter.
A mixture.
I love how we have so many different textures all
and
going
colors
together. This is gonna be so pretty.
Ooh, I can't wait to see the end product of this slime smoothie.
It's getting a little bit thick. Let's add some water.
I'm gonna squeeze this first. This one is so pretty, right guys?
I'm gonna make like a little bowl in the middle so that the water doesn't spill on us.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Okay, you go first. These ones are always really messy.
Oh my gosh, that is actually so messy.
I have blue on my arm.
It literally is blue water.
Yeah. I knew it was gonna be messy.
Look
I
at
thought
this,
I was
though.
prepared.
This pretty confetti stuff.
I'm gonna hold off on the green one for now and do a little mixing.
It's like a beautiful but also disgusting mess.
It actually feels really cool to play with though.
It does feel cool.
All the Orbeez and squishiness.
It's gonna be an interesting color by the end.
I think we need to add more Orbeez.
You know what I was just noticing? This looks like coleslaw.
Oh, it also looks like spaghetti noodles with pesto mixed
Oh my gosh, it totally does look like that. That's so funny. Okay, which one should we do next?
I kind of want to do this glitter one.
Ooh, do I have a glitter one? Let's see.
You want to do this one?
Yeah, I can do this
Okay,
one.
it's watery too. Look how pretty the gold glitter is.
That is pretty. Should we
This
take the
will be
little
really
koala
pretty.
off first?
Yes. No cutting of heads.
Don't worry, I won't.
I'm protecting the bear and the koala.
Hey, I didn't do anything to harm the bear. I just joked about it.
What I would do is do a cut right now and then squeeze it out. Don't point it at me.
Oh, I got it.
Okay.
Ready?
Perfect. Oh, it's so glittery.
Ah! It's like actual water. Let's get all of that water out.
I need like a rain poncho. It's gonna be so pretty with all the glitter.
I know, right? We're gonna have every color of glitter that exists. Here we go.
Let's add some color. I'm gonna add some red Orbeez. They're really excited.
I got some rainbow Orbeez in here.
Ooh, that'll be perfect.
Gotta cut this little shell off.
Let me see what color's in this one. It's got like a blue skin. I bet it's just clear inside, but oh no, they're like yellow. They're like champagne colored.
I got a bunch of rainbow ones. Pretty. Let's do this little orange guy next.
I'm gonna add some more rainbows from this pen.
Perfect. It's gonna be so colorful. Look at this beautiful mess. Oh, I feel bad cutting the little dinosaur.
What type of dinosaur is that? Wait, is this a Stegosaurus? Let me know in the comments what kind of dinosaur.
I don't know actually.
I always know the T-Rex, so sometimes some of the other ones I'm just
has
like,
the little spikes.
I think it's a Stegosaurus.
Probably.
Oh, here's another dinosaur. I'm gonna cut.
Oh, that's a Triceratops.
Triceratops. Add some more.
Ooh, orange. Looking good.
That definitely add like a pop of color. I really like how that looks
definitely.
now.
We still got our coleslaw in there. I'm gonna do this one next. There's some pretty Orbeez inside.
like blue, green, and yellow. Oh, they're bigger than the other Orbeez.
Pretty color combination. I like it.
I love this. My hands are so dirty, it's making
I know, me too.
This is disgusting. But anyway, I want to do this one. It has like purple inside.
Yeah, it has like foam beads. That one's super cool.
I think that would be an interesting texture to mix in.
Oh, this has so many textures. I can't even begin to explain it.
Wait, give me like a little landing pad. Like kind of squeeze it out. I'm just going to pour these out.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Ooh. Pretty.
Oh no, now I have styrofoam beads stuck to my hands.
Yeah, these are definitely gonna stick. Yeah, I'm gonna mix it in, ready? Okay, now it's like an actual slime or something.
You need to make a stress ball out of this.
I know, that would be so cool. I mean, just look at this. It's like rainbow.
Franken stress ball.
That would be
like
really satisfying.
Combination of all these different stress balls
and
into
textures.
one.
Yes. Got this little dinosaur next on a keychain.
I love the pink color. It's so
Me too.
cute.
It's not so cute anymore though because of my dirty hands.
Yeah.
If I can even
So
hold
what's he
it.
do?
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, that's interesting.
Let's do this really cute little hedgehog next.
Hey, now you're the one who wants to hurt animals.
I was just gonna say I feel bad because it's so adorable.
Ooh. Whoa.
Yay.
I wonder if it's like shaving foam or something.
It's so sticky. But it's like such a beautiful, pure white color.
Whoa, that feels really cool. Even though it's really messy.
This whole video is like so messy.
Definitely. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is a good addition to our little slime pile.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do this other pen one. You know what? Just for fun, I'm gonna test this pen. It still works. Let's write. Well, if I can write. Cutting open.
What's it say?
Cutting open fidget toys. Now that I've tested the pen and know it works, I have the right to cut it open. I don't think that makes sense, but none of this does.
None of this. This is not a very logical video.
Yeah, it's not. Okay, I think I got it. Ooh, yay. It's like confetti. It looks so colorful now, the whole pile. I got all of them.
I just feel like Orbeez hitting my legs.
I know, they're so bouncy.
Let's squeeze this on for some nice little glitter.
Ooh,
It's like
like
a slime. Ooh, it's super
oh, that
slime.
is so cool.
I can feel something inside. It looks like an
Oh my
LED
gosh.
light. Let's see if it like. Oh,
It still does.
Ooh, you can hide
Let's
it in
put
there.
it in the middle. Give it a little mix here. Knead it a bit. Ooh, it's like colorful. And disgusting. Disco party. Now we've got this little peach. Time to cut it. Ooh. Oh. It's not coming out super well. So slimy.
Flip it inside out. There you
There.
go.
Got it. That's so realistic. I love it.
I love
Whoa,
that.
what are you
That's
guys
my
doing?
favorite. Oh, hey, we're just cutting fidgets. Do you want to cut some?
Sure.
Let me go get some extra fidget toys. I'll be right back.
Perfect. Want to sit here, Michael? Sure. I love this one. It's so pretty, right?
Oh yeah.
Wait. I kind of have an idea. You see that huge poppet right there? Quick, bring it up. Earlier, I wanted to cut that one open. But then I realized, you know, maybe not, because it's like cool and special, rare. But she's gone now, so maybe we can play a prank on her. We can pretend to cut this open so when she comes back, she'll be like, oh no. That'd be so funny, right? That'd be a super funny prank. Wait, you know what? I don't think these scissors are big enough. But these might do. Right? So evil. Michael, why don't you stand up and hold it because it's like really big? Wait, why don't we actually cut it?
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, ready? 3,
I got a couple more fidget spinners.
It's just a prank. It's just a joke. Don't worry.
I thought you were gonna cut the world's largest poppet. I was like,
we would
freaking
never.
out. Okay,
You don't have to
sorry.
worry.
I probably
It was just a
overreacted.
prank.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
Cheers cutting my first fidget.
Cheers! Such
So
an interesting
fun.
texture.
Oh my gosh, you guys, look, I cut off all the sides.
Oh, all the little banana peels.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that too. So it'll be easier to
This
like.
is so
I love these bananas because
Oh my
they're
goodness.
so realistic looking.
I
I
know. I
know.
feel bad cutting it open.
You could actually trick people though.
Look at this, you guys.
There's mine. I can barely tell it was even cut.
Wow.
I'm already excited for the next ones to cut. I think we should cut these dough balls next.
Ooh, yeah, that'd be good. That's
Well, the
good.
texture on this stuff is like.
It's so weird.
It's like the stuff you use for your mold at the
Oh my
orthodontist.
gosh, it
kinda.
is, yes.
Fun fact about Mrs. Bench, I've never had a cavity.
Wow. Time to cut some dough balls.
That was so.
Oh, that totally exploded.
Whoa! I made like an awesome art piece.
Oh my goodness, that actually looks really
Let
cool.
me see. Ooh, it's like a donut or something.
I know.
I got all everything
it is
out
a
of
donut.
mine.
Maybe I should eat it. I'm just kidding. Do not eat it.
Do not eat it. Donut.
Ooh,
Donut.
good
Do not
one.
eat it.
I feel like I should just mix this all together.
Let's put in some more Orbeez first.
Ooh, yes. I'll take one.
Oh, they're so messy.
Oh my gosh. It's crazy.
Here, this has Orbeez too. Add this little guy to the pile.
I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, he's
Whoa.
going straight for the
Oh my
head.
gosh.
Gory.
Whoa.
Cover your eyes. Ooh. Ah.
Oh my
Ooh,
gosh,
these are
there's so
clear
many.
Orbeez. Those are really pretty. They're like a really pretty clear.
Wow. Some more?
I think that's everything. Let's
Orbeez
mix
are
it up.
What about this one?
That one is gonna be messy because it's water. So whenever you cut it, it like sprays. But there's a little mermaid inside. So I mean, it's really up to I'm so sorry.
I guess
Do
you
you
should
see
cut
her?
it open.
Yeah.
There's
Should
a
I?
mermaid inside. That's what I was trying
It'd
to
be
show
kind of
him.
funny if
Okay,
cut it.
do it, and I'll just.
Here, I'll do it.
Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna cut it too.
Oh, it's gonna.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's too messy. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll try to make it small. Sorry. See, this thing's totally
She's
sprayed.
totally wet.
I'm soaking wet. I'm so.
I
I'm
guess
dripping.
no one can do anything. That is.
Okay. Whew. Well, that was the grand finale,
That has a lot of water in
unintentionally.
that.
But there's a mermaid here.
Could we
okay.
mix it up
Wait,
now?
wait. Yeah, mix
Oh
it
my
up.
gosh.
I'm gonna work on dissecting the
Ugh,
mermaid.
this is so weird.
Here the mermaid is. Was it worth it to get her out?
This
Look at this.
is the weirdest slime I've ever.
I don't think it's even slime. I think it's just a mess at this point.
Well, if this was slime, then it would have to sell for like $30,000 because it's like the most rare slime in the world.
Oh my gosh, this
I'm
is like so messy but a lot of fun.
I'm
I
gonna
was gonna ask
slowly
you guys
add
though,
Orbeez to my slime.
what was your favorite one to cut?
I liked cutting this guy because.
Oh my gosh. What about you?
My favorite memory, like it was chaotic at the time, but it was, I'm sorry, but it was so funny when I accidentally squeezed this in your face. It was
That
so
was so
unintentional.
funny.
And that was actually like a memory that I'll now remember from when I got
That
to
one
film
was
with you.
hilarious. I have to say my favorite to actually cut was probably the bananas. Those ones were very
Those are also just
satisfying.
like my favorite to play with in general.
Yeah, same.
I love my realistic bananas.
The bananas are very
so
cool.
good.
You guys are definitely gonna have to comment and tell us your favorite that we cut open.
Also, let us know, would you want to cut open fidget toys
To
and
make
do
this
this?
slime.
Or is it too messy?
What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. And we'll see you guys soon.